Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your car title with DMV easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by gathering all necessary documents. You will need your driver's license or identification card. Make sure to have your vehicle identification number, or VIN, on hand. If you have the original title, keep it in a safe place. Next, locate the nearest DMV office. Visit their official website to find their address and operating hours. Check to see if you can start the process online. Some states allow you to apply for a duplicate title through their website. If online services are available, fill out the application form. Make sure to provide accurate information to avoid delays. If you prefer to go in person, prepare to wait in line. Arrive early to ensure you get served in a timely manner. Once at the DMV, take a number and wait for your turn. When your number is called, approach the counter. Present your identification and any other required documents. Explain to the representative that you need to recover your car title. They may ask you questions to verify your ownership of the vehicle. Be prepared to pay any applicable fees for the duplicate title. Fees can vary by state, so check ahead for specific amounts. After processing your request, the DMV will provide you with a receipt. This receipt confirms your application for the new title. You will typically receive your new title in the mail within a few weeks. If you don't receive it within that time frame, contact the DMV for an update. Follow any additional instructions they may provide. Now you're ready to drive, title in hand. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.